Hello everyone and welcome back to FXX. My name, of course, is Max, and today we're going to be talking about something that sounds simple, but is one of the biggest reasons traders either succeed or fail, and that is their daily routine. Most people spend years searching for better strategies, better indicators, and better entries, while completely ignoring how they actually structure their trading day. At FXX, we believe that discipline starts before you even open a chart. If you do not have a routine, you are trading with a blunt axe, and in this business, that is a very dangerous thing. So today I'm going to show you how to build a trading routine that actually works in 2026. One that fits modern markets, modern technology, and importantly, real life. The first thing you need to understand is that motivation is unreliable. Some days you feel focused and driven. Other days you feel tired, distracted, or emotional. A routine removes decision making from those moments. It tells you what to do even when you do not feel like doing it. Professional traders do not rely on motivation. They rely on structure. They know what time they analyze, what time they trade, what time they review, and when they step away. That consistency protects them from impulsive decisions and emotional mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is opening their platform first thing in the morning and immediately looking for trades. That's like walking into the gym and trying to lift the heaviest weight without warming up. Before you look at any charts, you should get yourself mentally prepared. This can be as simple as reviewing yesterday's trade, checking your trading journal, reminding yourself of the rules, and setting realistic expectations for the day. In 2026, with constant notifications, news alerts, and social media noise, protecting your focus is more important than ever. Successful traders follow checklists. They do not rely on memory or emotion. A good pre-market checklist might include checking major economic events, reviewing higher time frame trends, identifying key support and resistance levels, and confirming which pairs you're allowed to trade. This process takes 20 to 30 minutes, but it saves you from hours of bad decisions. Think of it as sharpening your axe before you start working. It's not exciting, but it makes everything else easier. Some traders perform best during the London session, others during New York. Some prefer overlaps. Part of building a strong routine is identifying when you are most focused and when markets suit your strategy. Trading all day does not make you more professional. It usually makes you more tired and less disciplined. Choose your trading window and respect it. Outside of that time, close your platform and live your life. Your routine should include a clear step-by-step process for every trade. For example, market bias first, setup confirmation second, risk calculation third, entry planning fourth, and execution last. If any step is missing, you do not take the trade. This removes guesswork and prevents emotional decisions. In 2026, with faster platforms and instant execution, it is easier than ever to enter trades impulsively. Your process protects you from yourself. Here is something most traders never think about. Trading is mentally exhausting. Concentration, decision-making, and emotional control use real energy. If you're tired, stressed, hungry, or distracted, your performance drops. Build your routine around energy management. Take breaks, stay hydrated, move your body, step away from your screens. A burned out trader does not make good decisions no matter how good their strategy is. If you don't journal, you're guessing. Proper trading journal is not just wins and losses. It includes screenshots, emotions, mistakes, execution quality, and rule adherence. Your routine should include daily and weekly review sessions. This is where real improvement happens. Patterns become visible, weaknesses become clear, strengths get reinforced. In 2026, with advanced journaling tools and automation, there is no excuse to ignore this. One of the most powerful habits you can develop is knowing when to stop. Many traders lose money after their best trades because they keep trading while emotional. Build stop rules into your routine. For example, just stop after 2 losses. Stop after hitting a daily target. Stop after a big win. Walking away is not weakness, it's professionalism. Here is a truth that's often ignored. Traders with balanced lives perform better. When trading becomes your entire identity, every loss feels personal. That creates pressure and fear. A good routine includes time for family, friends, fitness, and rest. Trading is part of your life, not your entire life. Keep that balance and your decision making improves naturally. Markets change, volatility changes, technology changes. Your routine should evolve too. What worked in 2022 might not work in 26. Review your routine every few months. Adjust your schedule, update your tools, remove habits that no longer serve you. The best traders are structured but flexible. Building a trading routine that works is not about copying someone else's schedule. It's about creating a system that fits your personality, your lifestyle, and your strategy. It's about showing up prepared, focused, and disciplined every day. When you have a strong routine, confidence grows naturally. You stop second guessing, you stop chasing, and you start executing. So that is how you build a trading routine that actually works in 2026. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about structure, consistency, and self-awareness. At FXX, we believe that success is built long before the trade is placed. Now, if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, check out other content, and share it with a trader who needs more structure in their life. Keep your own axe sharp, stay disciplined, keep improving, and I'll see you at the next one.